You know what is 461 minus plus 504?
Is it still property?
For example, look. Do you know what I said?
I forgot.
Let's just change it. 408 plus 701. You know what is 408 plus 701? Okay.
1,009.
Eh?
1,109.
Correct. The answer is 1,109. Next, number 6, subtraction. 761 minus 341.
420.
Calculate it.
I don't have calculator.
Okay, let's try changing things so I can know. 102 minus 94.
8.
Correct. 8. Okay, next one. Number 7 is English. So what is the synonyms of big?
Huge.
Correct. Big, huge. Number 8 is, what is the rhyming word of delay?
Decay.
Okay,
You know
if
what
you
is
say
decay?
no, you can also say play.
Yes.
Okay. Delay. Decay. Okay. Number 9. What is the antonyms? I mean homophones of ear. I mean here.
Homophones?
Yes.
What is homophones na?
It's the same sounds.
But different meaning?
Yes.
It's ear, diba?
Here.
Here.
Yes.
Bear.
No.
No. Ear.
No.
What? Here.
Correct.
Just same sound.
Yes, for
but
example,
different
bear,
spelling.
bear. It's, and also,
Different spelling
yes,
and same sound.
yes.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. The last question is, I'm gonna pick a random. Okay. Try. Oh, it's writing. Okay.
Writing.
Yes.
What will I do with writing?
You have to make a direct oval like me. Up and down and up and down. Up and down and up. This is indirect oval. Up and down and up and down and up and down and
I'm not a
and
baby.
Can you please stop saying you're not a baby? Up and down and up and down and up and down. Up and down and up and down. Up and down. Up My practicing is so bad.